Welcome everyone, this is the top speed throttle only test of the Senada Drifter folding e-bike. The Drifter is a 500 watt 48 volt e-bike. We are at a full charge, so let's go. We are topping out at around 26 miles per hour. That is very respectable for a 500 watt e-bike selling for under $1,000. And it's pretty much what I expected. Not as fast as my 1,000 watt Senada Sabre, but that's an entirely different e-bike selling at a much higher price point. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing more testing and videos of the Senada Drifter.